Ukraine's drone army keeps on taking out Russian tanks in massive numbers. While it's important each tank is completely destroyed to reduce Russia's tank force, as production can't keep up with current losses. As seen with this Russian tank trying to attack a Ukrainian position, firing off some rounds. It wasn't aware, however, of the lurking threat behind it, with the FPV drone striking the tank on some of its less armored position, which is over the engine at the back part of the chassis. While the hit seemed to do little at first, the well-positioned strike actually immobilized the tank as the engine got damaged, leaving the crew to abandon the tank, resulting in Ukraine's drone army being able to completely destroy the tank later on, leaving one less tank for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.